going on? We're out here in Huntington Beach at the air show. We showed up like an hour and a half ago. Too late, no parking. My buddy Jack came here early because he lives out here. So I dropped the kids off with him, drove my truck to his house about 3 or 4 miles away, borrowed his daughter's bike, rode back, and I'm here at the air show. Heck yeah. Awesome. Heck yeah. Alright, I'm gonna have to set some zoom in on this stuff. So it's gonna be a little shaky and it's not gonna be as pretty. Look at the boats way out there, all the yachts and sailboats. It's crowded here. Here comes the jet. Awesome. This place is crowded. Kids over here. Brought my daughters out here. They're out here playing. The water's cold. That's all right. Look at all the boats out there. Trying to go slow and steady. It's hard. It's not going to be very clear. It's zoomed in all the way. What?
One of them was still over there.
Here they come. Yep, that is the toenail Picasso. She got me again. She got me. And of course I have to renew my medical for my Class A through the DOT, so I'm gonna have to go take my boots off and my socks off again. It's gonna be great. Look at FedEx trying to get a piece of the action. That's funny. Oh, look at them. That's why your packages are late. It's over here messing around with the air show. What up, YouTube? We're out here with my buddy Jack, Huntington Beach. Having a coldie on the tailgate. That's right. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, it was a mission to get here, that's for sure. Having fun. It's nice, perfect weather.
Air show sick.
Yeah. Look at that, they made a heart. Isn't that special? Nice. Yes. Jack's on the grill.
That's right, baby. Handling it. Getting ready to
Some mesquite.
We're talking about it. We're thinking about it, but some bitch burn everything we got.
Here's the beach.
Yeah.
It's crowded. How many miles do you live from here, Jack? 3?
About 3.5.
Yeah, 3.5. I had to ride my bike over here. But I'll tell you what, in the back of my truck's an easy up, and so it's still in the back of my truck. But I did not forget the sandcastle toys.
You couldn't forget it?
No, I brought it, and then I brought my chair and carried it. Yeah.
I'm getting ready to cook up some chicken legs, hamburgers, freaking bot legs.
Oh yeah, we're going. We're doing it.
We're doing it. Hey, I'm gonna cook it all up. We're gonna eat it all up.
Yeah. So cool. Coming in low. Back up. Nice. Oh, this day is so beautiful. This is awesome. I was supposed to go backpacking, but I was more excited to take the kids here. And I think I'm more excited about this air show than the kids. Heck yeah. Get him! Down low by the water. It's awesome. Yeah, and this is October 2nd. It's a Saturday. Huntington Beach, California, 2021. Look at this. Look at all these people. Such a great time. Family time. This is awesome. Everybody's having fun out here. I know I am. Kids walking on the beach just eating pizza and having a good time. It's great. Got my little one over here playing in the water. Look at her posing. Even the birds are trying to get in on the air show. Look at this. Oh, this is hard to keep up with them. It's awesome. Here they come. Lost them. There, it's so fast. That guy jumped out of the helicopter. keep focus on that. Lost it. Yep, my older daughter almost got taken out by a wave. It was kind of funny. She said she's good. Blue Angels. Yeah. Sorry guys, it is hard to keep up with these jets. This is awesome. Well, that was awesome. Did I lose them? So hard to keep up with them. I think that is it. I missed the flyby with sonic boom on it. Oh man. That concludes the video. Air Show in Huntington Beach 2021. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Click the bell and share it. All that good stuff.
Share it.
Me and Jack are gonna ride bikes back to his house. He lives about 3.5 miles away. Everyone else is in his truck. His wife's driving. His name's Jack. His wife's name's Jill. Get that one.
Ah,
Yeah.
Get yourself some of that.
All right, you guys. Later. Well, I thought the video was over, but these guys are flying through here, so I had to get this on here. Those are awesome. Look at that. Yeah. All right, right into the sun. This will conclude the video, you guys. Have a good one. Jack and I are heading out on bikes. We are out of here. Later.